Hi everybody, how are you? This is going to be a little tutorial about how to use one of our apps, allapp.com. We chose to use this because it was a different website that we could integrate into our lesson plan that could be fun and exciting for children. So all you have to do is go to allapp.com. Once you're here, you will see it comes up something like this. First, you're going to click Start Drawing. So, in our lesson plan, we asked them to do something where they would draw one of our three branches of government. So what they would do would draw, so maybe they wanted to draw Congress, so they would draw like that. They could do different colors, they can do all different things, and they are probably going to be really interested in adding some fun colors, some fun spins on things. Once they're done with that, they can save it, and what they have to do is export the board, and then all they have to do is either export it as a PDF or as an image. So we had them do it as a PDF. So they downloaded it, then they can name it Congress or whatever they would like. And you download it, and there you have it. Here it is right on your computer. Thank you.